easy go.
Hello everybody, welcome to AGK Adventures. Today I'm going to be testing what a shotgun would do to some planks of wood. In a lot of movies you see in a shootout, people go and hide behind a table or something. I want to test if it really helps you with stopping a bullet. Today we have two places of wood with different thickness, and let's see what happens. Okay, first I'm going to be using bird shot to see what happens to the wood. I don't think it'll do any damage. Let's see what it happens. So, as you can see, even with bird shots, with this thickness, there's no chance that the wood will save you. So there's no actually point using buckshot or a slug on this wood. Let's try this one. This one is much thicker. You see it is double the size of that. I'll start with bird shot again first. Okay, so double thickness, and still, I'm going to be starting with a bird shot to see what happens. Oh God. So even, as you can see, with this thickness, and we have a big hole in the back. So if you're ever in a shootout, a tabletop is not going to help you. So forget about what you see in the movies. Don't trust them. Anyway, I'm gonna try hitting it with buckshot and a slug as well to see what happens. Okay, this is buckshot that I loaded myself. So you see all the pellets penetrated, but there were 6 of them, and they all penetrated. And now I'm going to be doing a slug. Let's see what a slug will do. Okay, I've loaded a slug. Let's see what happens to the wood. So it went clean off, as you can see, and so it's in the back. So of course it's obvious when bird shots get in, if you have penetration with bird shots, of course buckshots and the slugs are going to devastate the wood. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Till next time.